How to change login password in Pocket Broker application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're trying to secure your Pocket Broker account or just got a new phone or a device and want to update your login details, here's how you can do it. The first thing you want to do is to open the Pocket Broker application on your device and log into your existing account. Once you're inside, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now, once you do that, in the pop-up, click on Profile. Under Profile, select Security on the left. Now, on the next page, you'll see this Change Password button. Click on it. In order to change to a new password, you'll need your old or the current password. Go ahead and write it down in the first field correctly. Once you do that, head over to the next field and enter a new password you want to change to. Now, on the next field, re-enter the new password you are trying to change to. Finally, click on Confirm and your password will be changed. Next time when prompted or while trying to log in, make sure to type in your newly updated password during login. So that is how you can easily change your login password in Pocket Broker application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.